हाँ, आज आपने कौन सा चीज कंप्लीट किया?
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम।
हाँ, पूरा कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिंग सिस्टम कर लिए। अच्छा जी, थोड़ा बताइए क्या क्या डाइजेस्टिंग सिस्टम में कंप्लीट किया?
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम दो पार्ट में भाग, तो इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू थिंग्स। हाउ मेनी थिंग्स? टू थिंग्स। फर्स्ट इज alimentary canal and second is digestive glands. What is digestive glands? Digestive glands is actually the gallbladder, the liver, the pancreas, the salivary glands. These four are in digestive gland. And in alimentary canal, mouth to anus means mouth and buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and anus. So this is the alimentary canal and digestive gland. First we will study the whole digestion in one story. So पहले हमने फूड खाया, हमने खाना खाया, फिर खाना यहाँ पे टीथ आया. The teeth bites the food. Teeth bites the food. So what are the permanent teeth? Incisors, caries, premolars and molars. But in milk teeth, no premolar, only incisor, canny and molar. So अब चबाया, chewing the food, and then it is going in the esophagus. Then esophagus, the food is not going continuously in the esophagus. It is going with the movement. Which movement in esophagus, food pipe? It is that parasitic movement. The food is sliding down by the parasitic movement of the esophagus. Then it release the diaphragm and reach to the stomach. Stomach lies below the diaphragm. Okay. Then now the food came to the stomach. Now stomach has three enzymes. First is hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. So hydrochloric acid kills. Hydrochloric acid is telling, my work is that I will kill all the bacteria, all the germs of the food. तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड क्या बोला? I will kill all bacteria, all germs of your food. Then pepsin. The second is pepsin. Pepsin help in digestion of proteins. मतलब वो प्रोटीन तोड़ता है. Then third is mucus. Then the mucus is telling that HCl is so dangerous. It can fire all the stomach. वो पेट को जला सकता है, इसलिए म्यूकस क्या करता है? स्टमक की वॉल्स को प्रिवेंट कर देता है. HCl से बचने के लिए. और कभी कभी पेट में जलन होता है. क्योंकि पेट में जलन क्यों होता है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड बढ़ जाता है, म्यूकस का लेवल कम हो जाता है, इसलिए जलन ना हो, इसलिए म्यूकस और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का लेवल बैलेंस रहना चाहिए. Then now this hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus over. Then the food is going in the small intestine. By going down, there are two things, two organs. How many organs? Two organs. Who are that? Liver and pancreas. तो liver क्या बोलता है? I will give you a juice. हम तुमको एक जूस देते हैं, बाइल जूस. तो लिवर ने बाइल जूस दे दिया. Then the pancreas is telling, लिवर का तो काम हो गया, अब मेरा भी काम करना पड़ेगा. Then now pancreas is telling, I have to release three enzymes. Who are the enzymes? Trypsin, lipase and pancreatic amylase. Then trypsin helps in digestion of proteins, while pepsin is doing the digestion of proteins, breaking down the proteins. And suppose pepsin break down the proteins into simple molecules, then trypsin is also breaking that molecules into more tiny molecules. So this is the trypsin and pepsin, they help in digestion of proteins. And then lipase break down the fats, break down the molecules of fats. And the pancreatic amylase helps in digestion of carbohydrates. Then it is going in, the food is going in the small intestine. The small intestine is a large 6 meters long muscular tube pipe. It is long 6 meters muscular tube. So where is the पूरा डाइजेशन कहाँ होता है? पूरा डाइजेशन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होता है. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन यहाँ पे छोटा. It is in name small but doing big works, doing whole digestion, and it is absorption. ये absorption करता है. एक तो पूरा digestion करता है और ये absorption करता है. इसमें finger like projection होता है ऐसे. तो वो जो भी फूड आया उसमें से न्यूट्रिशन लेके ब्लड को दे देता है. तो जो भी मतलब फूड आया उसमें से न्यूट्रिशन सारा लेके ब्लड में भेज देता है. देन why it is like finger like to increase the surface area? Why it is finger like? It can be like this it can be. Why it is like this? To increase the surface area. Now after the digestion, it is going into large intestine. Large intestine is one work. It absorbs all the water of the food, and the chyme is the waste material, and the chyme is released, is gone to the rectum, and you excrete through the anus. So large intestine absorb all the food waters and release the chyme, the waste material, and it is gone to the rectum and released through the anus. Thank you. This is the human digestive system.